Do you have a fan club? I'm told that you initially said I don't want fan club, but now you have a fan club.
Yes, I have a fan club. The reason is, the first reason why I didn't want a fan club was I didn't want haters. But now I have haters. I always wanted to be an actor. I never thought of being a star or superstar.
How did you get this Italian name Tovino?
I'll go to any extent in acting. If I have to do a nude scene in a movie, if the script demands that, I'll do that. And when I'm treating a pregnant woman, I'll have to touch private parts, but it's a part of the profession. It's not with that kind of desires. And I should say, kissing on screen is the dumbest thing. It's
in front of
dumbest thing, I should say.
I believe Nivin Pauly is your cousin. Is it true? You are the bad guy opposite the popular heroes, Prithvi Raj and Dulquer.
Yes.
So from a bad guy, I mean negative shades, you have now graduated to a hero role.
It was easier for me because in real life I am not a bad guy.
Hello, welcome. I have with me Tovino Thomas on the red carpet. Tovino has been making a lot of noise. He has been one of the most popular faces in Malayalam cinema recently. And his film, Oru Mexican Aparada, took one of the best openings of 2017. Welcome to the show, Tovino.
Oh, thank you.
Well, you're rocking at the moment.
I believe so.
Your Goda is getting ready. And I saw the film, lovely movie.
Oh,
and you have excelled from a serious role to a comedy-laced role.
Yeah.
How has been the experience?
The thing is, I have done a comedy role in a movie, 2015 movie called YouTube Brutus. It was not a huge hit here, so I don't think every Malayali has seen that movie. So for most of the Malayalis, it's the first time seeing me in a comic role. Actually, Basil casted me in this movie, seeing YouTube Brutus.
Okay.
So he.
But Tovino, you came up doing slightly negative roles,
Yes,
like
yes.
Moideen in the
ABCD.
ABCD. You are the bad guy opposite the popular heroes, Prithvi Raj and Dulquer.
Yes.
So from a bad guy, I mean negative shades, you have now graduated to a hero role. How has the experience been?
It was easier for me because in real life I am not a bad guy. When I did ABCD, even though it was a negative role, I had my screen space. I had my scope for performance in that movie. And for a newcomer, it was a huge offer to play a negative lead against Dulquer Salman, who was a superstar then. From then on, what I was concentrating was only on the scope of acting. And when I did Seventh Day, I played a bad guy in Seventh Day also.
Yeah, with Prithvi Raj.
Yeah, with Prithvi Raj. I needed this visibility because.
So what you are saying is you got high visibility doing the negative roles opposite popular stars, and then you graduated into the hero roles.
Yeah, whatever performance we do, even if we do a brilliant performance in a movie which is not getting noticed, which is not seen by audience, there's no point in doing such performance.
Okay.
So what I wanted was that first when ABCD released, people noticed me. Later when I did a few movies after that, and when I did
by the way, Magnificent in Guppy, that also was a slightly negative role in towards the climax.
But towards the climax, the character becomes very positive, especially the tail and short.
Yeah, tail and short. But don't you feel that you did too many supporting roles and then only you became a hero?
No, whichever movie I did, my name were mentioned in all the reviews.
Okay, that's what matters.
That's what an actor needs.
Okay.
I always wanted to be an actor. I never thought of being a star or superstar.
How did you get this Italian name Tovino?
I still wonder how my father found that name. When I was born, my father wanted my name to be unique, and he wanted my name to start with T. So that my kid's initial also will become ET. So my father's initial was that, my initial is ET. So that's why he found this name. Even my brother's name is also unique. It's Tingston.
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 Yeah. Now that Irinjalakuda, Alua, Chalakudi belt has produced the biggest heroes. I believe Nivin Pauly is your cousin. Is it true?
My father's youngest sister. She is married to Nivin Pauly's father's youngest brother.
Oh, so you are related.
Distant relation.
Distantly related. How's your relationship between both of you? Because you have never acted together in a movie.
But we always meet in family functions and all. We always meet. He's a very sweet guy, and I've been knowing him since my childhood. So I'm very close to my father's sister's kids. They are very close to Nivin.
Okay.
So obviously we had this friendship always, all the time.
Will you work with your cousin, Mr. Nivin Pauly?
Definitely, if a script in which if the script demands, if a perfect script in which me and Nivin Pauly, both of them fit in, definitely that movie will happen.
And do you know Anthony of Angamali Diaries?
Yeah, I know him because we have mutual friends. And Anthony, I've seen a short film in which Anthony acted. The director, Vivek Gandrud, he's a friend of mine, and we are planning a movie together. So they studied in Maharajas College, and they had produced a short film called Baliyad. And I noticed Anthony, and on the first time when I watched the short film itself, I asked the director, who is this guy? He's a very good actor. Anthony is a very good actor.
മോനെ അവരുടെ കളറുണ്ടല്ലോ, നല്ല വെളഞ്ഞ ഗോതമ്പ് പശുമ്പാലിൽ അരച്ചാൽ കിട്ടുന്ന കളറില്ലേ, ആ കളറാ.
And what do you do when, I believe you got a phenomenal female following in Kerala?
Maybe it's because of this character called Appuvetan in Innunenda Moideen. After that, I've started getting a lot of female attention. So even though I played a bad guy in Guppy, a lot of females like that character also. So yeah, it's a good thing to have.
How does your wife react to your female fans?
See, my wife, we have been in love since 2000.
Oh, yours was a love marriage.
Yeah.
So I believe you also was something like Ender Moideen, that it was a childhood love.
Yeah, since 2004 we are in love, and in 2014 we got married. So it's a 10 years love story. So I don't have to impress her anymore. I don't have to tell her that I am this, I am that, because she knows what I am. So these gossips and female fan following has never bothered her, as far as I know.
No, because when the heroine of Godha, Vami, or somebody comes and does romantic scenes with you, you have no issues. Your wife doesn't have issues.
No, she doesn't have. We had this discussion even before I got into movies.
Okay.
When I told her that I want to get into movies, what I said is that I don't want to limit myself when I'm acting. I'll go to any extent for acting. If I have to do a nude scene in a movie, if the script demands that, I'll do that.
So if there's a nude scene, you will do it. If the script
demands, and if I feel that is necessary, I'll do that. Like I've done kissing scenes and all in a movie. It hasn't come out yet.
Which is a film?
It's a Tamil movie. I'm not allowed to speak about it now. But it will be launched. It will be. What she said was, it's a part of your profession. If you are a gynecologist, I cannot say that don't touch here and all. When I'm treating if I'm a gynecologist and when I'm treating a pregnant woman, I'll have to touch at private parts, but it's a part of the profession. It's not with that kind of desires.
Okay.
And I should say, kissing on screen is the dumbest thing. It's
in front of
dumbest thing, I should say. After every kissing scene, I was laughing out loud because I never felt anything while doing the kissing scenes.
അതിഥി നമ്മൾ വിചാരിക്കുന്ന പോലൊരു പെൺകുട്ടിയേ അല്ല. നീ വിചാരിച്ച പോലത്തെ ആയിരിക്കില്ല, പക്ഷെ ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ച പോലെ.
Do you have a fan club? I'm told that you initially said I don't want fan club, but now you have a fan club.
Yes, I have a fan club. The reason is, the first reason why I didn't want a fan club was I didn't want haters. But now I have haters. So I
You
can have-
agree you have haters.
Obviously, I can see that. My eyes are open. I can see around me, and I can see haters. So, so then there is no. I don't have to stop people who like me from starting a fan club. And another thing which I always wanted was, I don't like fan fights at all. At least I don't like it on my name. So what I have insisted is like, all the actors, the senior actors, I'm a fan of lot of senior actors, and the actors who are in my age group, I'm like very good friends with them. So I want my fans to like them also.
But
I
that's
don't
not
like-
possible. Today in Malayalam cinema, each actor is having his own fan base, and they make a big hue and cry at the time of the release. And the release is linked to the hero's popularity. Would you say that?
But I think good movies should be appreciated more than.
But Mexican Aparata, for example, took a very good opening.
Yes.
What are your thoughts on Gotha opening? Will you use your fans to come and celebrate during Gotha opening? Do you have any fan show planned?
During Mexican Aparta, I didn't have a fan club.
Oh, you didn't have.
I didn't have a fan club then.
Then if the film took a fantastic opening.
Yes, so that's like a proof that we don't need a fan club
Okay.
for that kind of opening. But I need a fan club so that I can, like films like Guppy, which went unnoticed in theaters. If I have a fan club, at least they'll go and
Watch.
on the first day. Without going and watching movies in theaters, people decide about some movies, the fate of certain movies. I don't want that to happen. And I have insisted people who like me, like the members of that fan club, that even if I am not acting in a particular movie, which is a brilliant movie, I have told them, please go and watch those movies also.
Okay.
I don't want to limit them also. Just because they are my fans, I don't want to limit them. They can like or watch anyone's movies.
I believe you got trolled on Facebook for some of your comments. Is it true?
Not because of my comments, because of some issues which happened during this Mexican Aparata's theater visit and all.
No.
Because I am a person who never thinks that I'm a celebrity, and I don't have such.
Yes,
thing.
about it.
Yeah, what I want is like people should treat me equal. I don't want anything more. I treat them equal, then they should treat me equal. I don't want anything more. But when I don't get that kind of treatment, obviously I'll react. I reacted, and I've reacted even before. During the time of Guppy, or even before that, when people did that to me, I've reacted. Then it was not a news at all.
But now you're a star.
But I'm not able to digest that. I'm a human being. First place, I'm a human being. And being a star is not something I wanted. I always look at myself as a person who wants to be an actor. I want to be, I'll be more happy if people call me a good actor than a star.
Okay.
Asli Punjabi.
നമ്മൾ ജസ്റ്റ് മിസ്സായതാ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവൾ നമ്മുടെ ഷെഡ്യൂളിൽ
And now, what about competition? Because competition is very tough now in Malayalam cinema. You have Dulquer, you have Nivin, you have Prithvi Raj, all the young heroes. So, where are you going to fit it into it? And I believe Anthony of Angamali Diaries also is another competitor.
Definitely.
So,
See, it's a
how do you take competition?
Competition should be, at least in movies, competition should be constructive. And I have a very good relationship with all these young stars, all these persons. So I've never, I can see them as my competitors, but definitely not as my enemies.
Okay.
Because I've been working with them, most of them I've worked with, and they have given me very positive vibes, and so I don't want to be their enemy. I want to be their friend who is a competitor.
Okay.
It can be a friendly competition.
Tovino, I believe you're playing the hero in a film produced by Wonderbar Dhanush.
Yes, true.
Tell us about that film. What is it about?
That film.
It's a Malayalam film.
It's a Malayalam film.
Title?
Its tentative title is Tarangam.
Tarangam.
This movie is directed by my friend Dominic Arun. He has directed a short film called Mrityunjayam. It's a short film in noir genre, and it has like bagged a lot of critical acclaim, and that's how he reached Wonderbar Productions, and they were very much interested after the script narration. And that movie happened, and it's the first time Wonderbar Productions is doing a movie.
So Wonderbar is doing a Malayalam film for the first time, and Tovino Thomas is the hero of the movie.
Yes.
And the theme about the movie?
It's very hard to say one line of that movie. It's very complicated. I cannot say the one line.
Okay.
But it will be entertainer. It's a dark humor. That's
Do you have plans to come to Tamil film industry also? Like all Malayalam stars are venturing into Tamil.
I'm
doing one.
I'm doing one Tamil movie right now. I've finished doing that. Now post productions are going on, and I would love to do Tamil movies because I studied in Coimbatore. Like 4 years, I did my engineering in Coimbatore. I worked 1 year in Chennai.
So you can speak fluently in Tamil.
Yeah, like to an extent, not like a Tamilian. Still, I've been in Tamil Nadu for 5.5 years, so I know how to speak Tamil.
Okay. Anyway, all the best for Godha, and I hope it rocks, and
Thank you.
Your career will go.
Okay, let that happen.
Okay.